Alright, moving on to bedbugs. These little party crashers love your mattress more than you do on a Monday morning. They also dig bed frames and, believe it or not, behind wallpaper. It's like they play hide and seek, but nobody's laughing. Your first line of defense? A cleaning spree. Strip those beds, vacuum every nook and cranny of that mattress, top and bottom, and if you can, give it a good steam. It's a nightmare for bedbugs. Now, for our DIY repellent, we're bringing out the big guns tea tree oil. It's got a scent that's terrifying for bedbugs. And we'll need 2 cups of water to make our spray here. Mix your tea tree oil with the water in a spray bottle and give it a good shake. It's like making a cocktail to get rid of bedbugs. Spray liberally on your bed linens, mattress seams, and around the bed frame. It's like telling those bedbugs, "You're not welcome here, please check out." Thank you for joining us on this journey to a healthier, pest-free home. We hope you found these tips helpful and empowering. Remember, you've got this. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your own tips, questions, or success stories. Your feedback makes us all stronger and smarter. If you enjoyed this guide and want more like it, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on new tips and tricks. Together, let's keep our homes safe and sound.